सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् ॐ. We have completed the fourth chapter of Ashtavakra Gita. We are going to enter into the fifth chapter, where Ashtavakra is going to give 4 types of laya. We can call it as dissolution or laya yoga. Laya chintanam or laya yoga. In 4th chapter, Ashtavakra challenged Janaka. Oh Janaka, you are claiming yourself as a Jnani. If you are a Jnani, still you are continuing in Grihastha-ashrama. Why you are not interested in Sannyasa-ashrama? If you are a Jnani, you have to renounce everything. You are not looking like a Jnani because you are continuing in Grihastha-ashrama with a lot of attachments. Naturally, Grihastha-ashrama, a person has to do his duties with some responsibilities he has to take up. So it seems you have an attachment. When Ashtavakra asked like that, Janaka Maharaja says, a person is a Jnani or Ajnani cannot be determined by either Grihastha-ashrama or Sannyasa-ashrama. If a person is a Jnani or Ajnani, what determines? It's not a householder life or a monk life. What determines is his understanding about his nature. If he knows that I am the witness consciousness, I am the witnesser of the entire Anatma, that is called Sakshi. I am Sakshi, the witnesser. I am witnessing the body, mind, complex, the entire Vyavahara. This is called Sakshi Pradhana lifestyle. When I am a Sakshi Pradhana Purushaha, Ahankara is subservient. Ahankara, the ego, is no more predominant. Ahankara, ego, is not predominant when I am a Sakshi Pradhana Purusha. Then what type of Ahankara I use? Only functional Ahankara, Vyavaharika Ahankara, like a defanged cobra. My Ahankara is like a defanged cobra, like the cobra which is free from the fangs, so it cannot cause any poison. Similarly, my Ahankara cannot disturb my real nature, Sakshi nature. So this is the criterion for a Jnani. Jnani always looks at himself as a Sakshi. I am the witnesser of body, mind, complex, गुणागुणेषु वर्तन्ते इति मत्वा न सज्जते. Is not attached, not afflicted by these sense objects which are interacted by the sense organs. While interacting, not in meditation. Pashyan shrunvan sprishan jigran. While walking, while talking, while eating, while reclining, all the time at the back of the mind, the Shruti Tambura is I am Satchit Ananda Swarupam. This is called Jnani status, not Grihastha-ashrama or Sannyasa-ashrama. If sannyasi doesn't have this Sakshi Bhava, he is a Mahagrihastha. Sannyasi doesn't have this Atma Bhava or Sakshi Bhava, sannyasi is as good as Mahagrihastha, big householder. Whereas a Grihastha, whoever is having this Jnanam, Ashtavakra, student, householder, or Bhagavad Gita, or Upanishads, or Brahma Sutra, or Prakarana Grantha, whatever the Shastra study he does, is a Grihastha, but still he is a Jnani. How confident Janaka Maharaja you see. So Janaka is an exemplary model for all Grihasthas. So Ashtavakra Gita is very, very useful for Grihasthas. Therefore, now in 5th chapter, Ashtavakra is going to admire Janaka. Ashtavakra, until now he was teaching Janaka Maharaja. Now he is going to admire and he is praising in the 5th chapter. It is like when the flame is very, very feeble, the wind comes and put off the flame. When the flame is very small, wind comes and put off the flame. Suppose the flame is so huge, fire is there, suppose. There is a huge fire, conflagration. Wind, what it does, it cannot serve as an enemy of fire, it becomes a friend of that fire. And it helps the fire and increase the fire. It spreads. Wind makes the fire to spread all over. When it was a flame, the wind serves as an enemy to the flame. Now when it is conflagration, same wind, when opponent is so powerful, strong, what we have to do? Join with the opponent. You have to join with the opponent. Adi madri now Ashtavakra joining with Janaka Maharaja. Testing a lot. Ashtavakra says, very good. I am very, very happy. You are my best student. Continue. You absorb. Dissolve the Anatma. How you have to dissolve? I will give you 4 steps to dissolve this. What? This Sharira, Anatma, Jagat Anatma, the entire Anatma you have to dissolve because you are Mukta Purushaha. Now with this background we will enter into the 5th chapter. First shloka we will read. Page number 47. Nate sangosti kenapi kim shuddhastyaktumicchasi tumicchasi sanghata vilayam kurvan एवमेव लयं व्रज. Layam Vraja. This word is common. This fifth chapter contains only 4 shlokas. In these 4 verses, 4 steps Ashtavakra is giving how to dissolve this Anatma into Atma. Te केनापि संगः न अस्ति. I have understood now, हे Janaka, you are Jnani. For you, there is no sangaha with anything in this world. Kenapi, with anything. Sangaha means attachment, association. Na te tava sangaha nast. You do not have any association with anything. Kenapi with anything. Shuddhaha. You are pure. You are pure means you are remaining as pure existence, consciousness principle. Unadulterated, no, unalloyed, consciousness principle, pure, you are. Kim tyaktumichasi. I agree with you. What you have to drop? You need not drop grihastha ashrama. Kim? What? Tyaktumichasi. What you can drop? You have dropped everything mentally. Manasikama, mentally, you have dropped attachment with everything. Your mind is not associated with anything. Therefore, what to drop for you? Nothing is there. See, when can you drop? When you hold, only you have to drop. Isn't it? You have to drop something when you hold. Janaka Maharaja is not holding to his kingdom or family or to his body. He is videha, videhaha. Even including his body, videhaha means he is looking at his body as a sakshi. So what he has to drop? Nothing is there for him to drop. Him tyaktum ichchasi. Because you are pure consciousness existent principle. So it says what? Your samsara is in the mind. The more you are attached to that anatma, you are bound, you are a samsari. That means what? Your identification with the body alone is called samsara. If you are not identified with the body, you are not claiming as your body, you are not a samsari. So where is bandha, where is moksha? Very is thin layer of answer. What is that? Manayeva manushyanam karanam bandha mokshayoho. Ajnani manaha eva bandha karanam, jnani manaha moksha karanam. Ajnani manaha is what? That manas, mind of an ignorant person who do not know this body, mind complex, the entire Namarupa Prapancha as Anatma he do not know. That mind, Ajnani mind, do not know. Because he is not a Vedantic student, he is not a seeker, he is not a mumukshu, he is not a muktaha. Therefore, Ajnani mind, bandha karanam. Whereas Jnani mind, whose mind is well entrenched in Upanishads, Bhagavad Gita teaching, gradually that mind soaked in that Mahavakya Aham Brahma Asmi, such a mind is a Jnani mind. Enlightened mind, lightened mind. So enlightened mind is moksha karanam. He is no more a samsari, no more a sadhaka. He is a mukta purusha. Therefore, this is the only difference. No outer change is required. External change is not required, that is optional. What is required? Look at your emotions. Look at your thoughts. How confused they are. How deluded mind. A jnani mind is a healthy mind, a relaxed mind, enlightened mind. Very, very clear about Atma, Anatma. Whereas Ajnani mind with full of burdensome, no? Struggling, no? Morning to till night. Hey Janaka, you are entertaining a Jnani mind, you are a Muktaha, Shuddhaha. Kim Tyaktum Ichasi, nothing to drop. I join with you. Therefore, what you have to do now? Sanghata Vilayam Kurvan. Now it is your job, you can drop. No, Vilayam means dissolve this Sanghata. Sanghata means body mind complex. Sanghata, body mind complex. Vilayan Kurvan. By making that body mind complex Anatma Panchakoshas dissolve into Atma Chaitanyam. This is the step number 1. Dissolution of 5 koshas. This is Anatma number 1. 5 koshas. I hope you remember what are all 5 koshas. Annamaya kosha, Pranamaya kosha, Manomaya kosha, Vijnanamaya kosha, Anandamaya kosha. Or you can say Sthula Shariram, Sukshma Shariram, Karana Shariram. Trini Sharirani comes under Anatma. You dissolve. How you dissolve? Then a salt can take, put in water and dissolve, stir it up. So like a sugar, putting in coffee and stir up and dissolve. Sugar disappears. And if you put salt also in the water and stir up, it dissolves. How to dissolve Sanghata? 80 kgs, 60 to 80 to 90 kgs, how to dissolve? Physical body I cannot dissolve. Mind, my God, morning to till night, it is like a bug, always pricking one way or other. Such a mind, how can I dissolve? Here, dissolve means don't take literally. Don't take literally. You cannot dissolve this body. If you dissolve it, it will become melting. This is mudiyada karyam. What do you mean by dissolve? Vilayam kurvan. Vilayam, viseshena. Totally you have to dissolve. Mithyatva nischyaha kurvan. Falsify. As you are seeing the body, hale and healthy body with full of weight, height, complexion. By looking at it, false and chalanam, intellectually. Falsification of that body and mind also. Atmana Atmanam. With mind alone, you have to understand. Your own mind is your friend, your own mind is your enemy. Shastric mind is friendly mind. Shastric mind, the one who attends the Vedanta class is called Shastric mind. Shastric mind, a mind which is exposed to Shastra. Such a mind is called Shastric mind. Such a mind can falsify Shastric mind by regular study of Shastra systematically with commitment. Such a person can falsify the body mind complex. Of course, after few decades, that's all. But it is possible. It is possible. So, Sanghata Vilayam Kurvan, falsification of 5 koshas or 3 sharirams. You have to falsify. How to falsify? How to falsify the pot? As you are seeing the pot, you can say there is no pot. This is called falsification of the pot. You need not break the pot. Very much I am holding the pot. I can boldly say there is no pot at all. There is no pot substance at all. Only clay appearing in the form of pot. In the Jnanam Varanam first. If you falsify the pot, later you can falsify this body pot. First in the pot no falsify pannungo. Thoroughly. If pot is there, if you say, I will tell you, I will take the clay, you take the pot. If you say pot is there, if you say what I say, I take the clay, you take the pot. Can you? Swamini, இது நன்னா தெரியும் சுவாமினி, ரொம்ப நாளா சொல்லிண்டே இருக்கேன். We know very, very, very thoroughly this. If you know this thoroughly, just as there is no pot, even though when you are seeing the pot, it is what? Vilayam, Ghata Vilayam. How you have done now Ghata Vilayam? How you have dissolved Ghata? By putting in the water? Have you dissolved the pot by putting the pot in the water, or you are dissolving the pot by doing Mithyatva Nischayam? We are doing what? Mithyatva Nischayam of the pot. We can use it very much and we can say no pot. Very simple. Vedanta says similarly, Sanghata Vilayam Kurvan Mano Buddhyahankara Chittani Naham Na Punyam Na Papam Na Saukhyam Na Dukkham. It is only a name, Vacharambhanam Vikaro Namadheyam. இங்கே மிருத்திகா இத்தியேவ சத்தியம்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. பாட்டு விஷயத்தில் மிருத்திகா இத்தியேவ சத்தியம். ஓ ஸ்வேதகேது. Similarly, Vacharambhanam Vikaro Namadheyam, your visiting card, Vacharambhanam, and all photographs you have taken to your body, all are Vacharambhanam, Nama, Rupa, Mithya. And the photo Pathinde, everybody, I am not this body. I am the witnesser of my body. What is mine is not me. Therefore you say my body. You never say I am body. My body, my head, my stomach, my leg, my hand, my purse. My purse is not me. My hand is not me. My body is not me. I possess the body. The possessor of something is different from the possessed. Possessor, possessed, different or not? When I say my body, I possess the body. Body belongs to me. I am not the body. This is called Sanghata Vilayam Kurvan. When? Not in sleep. not after death. While you are sitting in the class itself, you are listening. As you are listening, you have to do that vilayam. Na veeti poi pandre Swamini anna. After going home or tomorrow, I relaxedly sit and do na. Atraiva Brahma samashnute. In the class itself, it can take place if you are attentive. Vilayam kurvan evameva layam vraja. In this manner, by falsifying this anatma number 1, evameva, in this manner. In this manner means which manner? Until now I am talking, no? What way you have to do no falsification? It is vacharambhanam. It is not real at all. It is a matter. It is full of chemical, bundle of chemicals. Blood, flesh, bones, bundle of chemicals. Mind is another refined matter. Evameva layam vraja. May you attain that Atmasthiti, may you abide in that Atmasthiti by dissolving, by falsifying this anatma. Next shloka. Shloka number 2. Udeti bhavato vishvam varidheriv budbudah iti gnatvaikamatmanam evameva layam vraja. In Shanti Parva, Mahabharata, Vyasa Bhagavan says, Tyaja dharma madharmancha ubhe satyanrute tyaja. Ubhe satyanrute tyaktva yena tyajasi tatyajana. Tyaja means renounce. Dharma adharma, punya papa. I have punya, I have papa, this bhava you give up. All this satya, anruta, all you give up. Pair of opposites. And I have given up this, I have given up this, I have given up that. That I have given up for notion also give up. Yena tyajasi, because of which ahankara you are telling, I have dropped this, I have left out this, I have given up this. You are telling, no, that I-ness you give up. I have given up, and the ahankara first give up. Yena tyajasi, by which ahankara you have given up. Tat ahankara tyaja. May you drop that ego first. After coming to Vedanta class, I have dropped seeing TV, I have dropped looking at the serials, I have dropped so many things, I have changed so much, I have changed that I have, you are telling, no, that I you change first, drop. This is the custom. Everything we drop. The dropper must be dropped. Dropper must be dropped. This is the most toughest task. In I have dropped, that ego is there. I am a Vedantic student, I am a better in the family, among all the family members, that also you drop. See, all are not studying Vedanta. I am studying Vedanta, I am a better person. I am very good because of I am studying Vedanta, I am associated with Swamijis. Give up that also. That's a big problem. Therefore, layam along with your ego. What you have to say? Ego. 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 Now, here, second step, Ashtavakra says, Jagat Jagat Laya, Anatma number 2. After falsifying the body-mind complex, look at the mirror. When you are looking at your body, look at the body, each part you analyze. பவுடர் போட்டுக்கலாம், அப்புறம் அது போட்டுட்டு அப்புறம் கொஞ்சம் அனலைஸ் பண்ணணும் அப்பப்போ. The best medium for study the body is the mirror. My experience, I have done that only. Start doing that. Stand in front of mirror. No one should be there around. Look at your form in the mirror. Then you see each part of your body. Who am I that? In that body, who am I? Start this analysis. Just a suggestion. Okay, not compulsory. Don't develop too much attachment towards the body. Don't develop too much attachment towards body. Okay. As a Vedantic student, Tivra Mumukshua, you look at the mirror. It works. Sanghata Vilayam is possible. Very simple. Now, Jagat Vilayam. One person said, I know I am Brahman, but my wife do not know I am Brahman. I know I am Brahman, but my wife, my neighbor, people, other people do not know I am Brahman. They themselves do not know they are Brahman. They themselves do not know I am Brahman. But my problems are continuing. Swamiji says, Amma, Brahmanukku wife undodi anna. Brahmanukku wife enna. So, there is a problem here. Once you say, I am Brahman from the higher I. When you say my wife, that is lower I. So lower I can have husband and wife, relation, brother, sister, father, son, daughter, relation at lower I level. At higher I level, I am relationless. So this dichotomy, because of mixing both higher I and lower I. Before coming to class, there was no problem, only one problem. Lower I only struggling. After coming to Vedanta class, ஏதோ higher I and கொஞ்சம் கிளாஸில் இருக்கும் போது நன்னா இருக்கும். திருப்பி லோவர் ஐக்கு வர ப்ராப்ளமாக இருக்கு. இது என்னமோ கொஞ்சம் டக் ஆஃப் வாராக இருக்கேன்னா அப்படி தான் இருக்கும் கொஞ்ச நாள். Until the higher I become robust, strong and powerful. இப்போ அந்த higher I வந்து கொஞ்சம் feeble-ஆக இருக்கு, அந்த flame மாதிரி. Therefore, you have to strengthen yourself. Just falsifying my body-mind complex alone is not sufficient. I have to falsify Vishwam, the entire universe. Look into the shloka. Vishwam bhavataha udeti. From your mind alone, as you wake up, mind awake. Once the mind awake, Nama, Rupa, my son, my daughter, my husband, my wife, all are coming. When mind goes, dissolves in sleep, where is husband? Where is that son, daughter? Including your body, you have forgotten. So therefore they are all appearing when the mind is awake. Bhavataha udeti. As you wake up, the mind starts functioning. Passive mind becomes active, more active, most active mind, and start looking at that person. Different emotions are changing. Why? Because of mind. Where they have gone when you are sleeping? Where they have gone? Mind subsides, all subsides. When mind becomes active, all comes to surface. Therefore, what is the cause for Udeti, mind. Mind is active because of what? Atma, Chaitanya. So mind is resting. Therefore what? Aidi Atma Chaitanyam looking at the mind when sleep. I am resting, I slept well. So Sakshi is there. And the mind, once it wakes up, all relations comes. Bhavataha udeti. Mind borrows sentiency from you, the consciousness. You are the consciousness lending sentiency to the mind. Mind becomes active and mind say aham mama, aham mama. It is like a moonlight borrows sunlight. From sun the moon borrows light. Similarly, mind, moon borrows sentiency from me, the Atma. Bhavataha udeti. Hey Janaka, from you only. Janaka knows already. Namakkaha solrar. Oh Janaka, from you the consciousness alone, Vishwam udeti. When you were sleeping yesterday night 6 hours, where is the Vishwam? Not knowing this Vishwam, Vishnurva Shatkaro Bhuta Bhavya Bhavat Prabhu, and the Vishwam padichu paakano first, Vishnu Sahasranamana. What is Vishwam? Bhavataha udeti. From you only it arises. Just as what? See the example. Varidhehe budbudaha iva. Varidhehe means from waters. From the ocean, from waters, budbudaha, bubbles, comes out. From waters, just as the bubble comes, from the Atma, the Vishwam bubble comes out. எப்படி சொல்றாரு பாருங்க. Whole Vishwam is like a bubble. Bubble is what? Nothing but water. Bubble is what? Nothing but water. Is there bubble other than water? Is there bubble? Bubble is the name given for waters. Vishwam bubble name is given to the Atma waters. Bubble nanna puriyaradu swami. Vishwam bubble anna ottagave mudila anna. If you are able to accept, you need not come to Ashtavakra Gita. You have to study and understand. Then only you can accept. Varidhehe budbudaha iva. Just like that, the bubble comes out from water, the Vishwam comes, emerges out, appears, not emerges out together. It is only appearance of water in the form of bubble. It is only appearance. Similarly, Vishwam is an appearance. Since I am experiencing the bubble, it is visible, therefore there is a bubble, can you say? It is appearing. You are experiencing the bubble. What you are experiencing? Bubble or water? When you are experiencing the bubble, the visible bubble, are you experiencing water or bubble? Tell me. Konja seddama? Water, not bubble. Similarly, when you are experiencing the Vishwam, you are experiencing really what? Brahman, Atman, your own Atma. Everywhere it is. Who says? Ashtavakra says. Okay. Varidehe budbudaha iva. Vishwam is another name for me, the Atma. Iti, thus, Gnatva, having understood thoroughly. Gnatva, Ekam Atmanam. So many bubbles are there, but how many waters are there? Waters is Nitya Bahuvachanam. Okay. Amba, Apaha is Nitya Bahuvachanam. That's why we have to say waters. Don't take waters and many waters. How many waters are there? Only one water. Appearing different bubbles. Hundreds of bubbles, thousands of bubbles. Atma ekam eva appears in the form of Vishwam in different names and forms. Ekam Atma. One Atma alone, non-dual Atma alone appears in duality. So dualities are real or unreal? Bubbles are real or unreal? Unreal. What is real? Waters. Similarly, the Vishwa means Nama, Rupa, Prapancha, bubbles are real or unreal? Unreal. What is Satyam? Atma. Atma ekam iti gnatva. Aalukku oru Atma kadiyadu. Adella Visishta Dvaitanlo da. Okay. Atma ekam iti gnatva. Evam eva layam vraja. May you dissolve. May you attain that Atma sthiti. Attain means what? Remaining in Atman. Never lose sight of. How is it possible? The steps. Worry what is not possible. Step by step. Shanai Shanairu Paramet Buddhya Dhruti Grihitaya. Lord Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita 6th chapter, Shanaihi Shanaihi Uparamet, 25th shloka. Gradually, don't say, I have come Swamini 4-5 classes, I have not understood anything. No. 4-5 classes illa, 4 years illa, 40 years padicha purincha periya vishayam. We should never come to conclusion, I am not able to follow, I am not able to understand. Those statements are all meaningless. You have to study for a length of time until I get thorough knowledge, I have to study. So, evameva layam vraja. Step by step, in the Vishwam is nothing but Brahman, Atma Chaitanyam alone, consciousness, existent principle. Easiness form it is there. In the form of easiness, everywhere it is. So, Chit is manifesting in this beings. Sat is manifesting in all inanimate beings. Sat is here also. I am, I know. Irukku, nanakku theriyum. I don't want to go deeper. You know all those things. Now, third sloka we will read. Pratyakshamapyavastutvat Vishwam nastyamale tvai Rajju sarpam ivad vyaktam Evameva layam vraja. Slokas are simple. Very simple words, simple slokas. But the topic, subject is tough. Okay. Look into the sloka. Our good old classical example, Rajju Sarpa. The snake and rope example, he says. When you see the snake in a twilight, in a dim light, that snake is nothing but a rope. Rope is appearing as a snake. This is called adhyasaha, superimposition. Superimposition means adhyasa. I superimpose the snake upon the rope. When I see the snake, really speaking, I am seeing the rope alone. But I have taken it as a snake. It is no more a rope for me. This is called adhyasa, superimposition. What is the condition for that superimposition? Just like it will not happen. It is full darkness. Sarpabhranti won't take place. It is full light. Sarpabhranti won't take place. It is a twilight, half light, dim light, sandhya kalam, sun setting, sun setting, not fully set, sun setting time or early morning. And the time now, it is not fully dark or fully light. At that time only you get Bhranti. Like that, we are not totally ignorant. We are not totally knowledgeable. We are all what? Half cooked. I know I am Ananda, I want Ananda, I am Sukha Swarupam, I want Sukha, but I do not know I am Sukha Swarupam. That is why everyone is a mumukshu, really speaking. Everyone is a mumukshu. Everyone desire for Sukha or not. Sukha Ichha is nothing but Moksha Ichha. Sukha is what? Shanti. Shanti, Sukha, from what? From sorrow. I want to be happy. I want to be free from dukkha. This is called Moksha Ichha. Who is not mumukshu? Tell me now. This is newly I have discovered, or PhD padna madri. Who is not mumukshu? So everyone is a mumukshu. They do not know they are mumukshus. They are seeking for happiness. Therefore, we have to understand this. I am seeking for happiness, Ananda only, but I do not know that I am Ananda Sukha Swarupam. Am I totally ignorant of my nature, myself? And I know I am. நான் இருக்கேன்னு தெரியும், எனக்கு தெரியும்னு தெரியும், தெரியாததுன்னு தெரியும். இல்லையோ? So that means you are knowledgeable. I am, I exist. I know what I know what I don't know. So you have knowledge or not? You don't have total ignorance. But at the same time, you don't have the total knowledge. I am Atma. I am the witnesser of what I know, what I don't know. Pratibodha viditam matam iti aham na janami. Purna jnanam nasti, purna ajnanam api nasti. Tasmat kim asti anna? Half knowledge asti anna. I have only half knowledge. That's why everyone is having knowledge about his existence. But that existence, I am the Atman, he do not know. That is why moksha means we are not going to teach any new thing. In the Rajju Sarpa Bhranti Madri, he says here, look into the shloka, Rajju Sarpa Iva Vyaktam. Just as the snake is manifesting when I lose sight of the rope, similarly, Pratyaksham api avastu tvat vishvam. The Vishwam, snake, is avastu. It is not an object really existing. Avastutva, this is the hetu. Because the vastu, Vishwam, is a avastu. It is not really there. Snake is really there. It is vastu, vasati, snake. Sarpa is there? No. Avastu. Therefore, it appears, but still it is not there. Even though it appears to you, really it is not there. Similarly, Vishwam is avastutvat. It is not a real substance. When you see the snake, what is substance you are seeing? When you are seeing the false snake, what is the substance you are seeing? Rope or snake? Rope. That means substance snake is not there. Snake and substance is not there. As you are seeing the snake also, you are seeing what vastu? Rope. Similarly, Vishwa Angara vastu is not there. As you are seeing Vishwam, Mamiyar, Mamanar, neighbor, problems, all these, when you are seeing also, really speaking, what you are seeing? Brahman only. Why? Vishwam avastutvat. Because you are seeing the snake, you are afraid of snake, you want to run away from snake and you are shouting and screaming. Why? You are missing the rope. Similarly, you are missing the Brahman who is appearing as Vishwam. Once you lose sight of Atma, Brahman, Vishwam, Vishwa appears as what? Exploiting me, problematic to me. Lot of problems, Swamini. எனக்கு இருக்கிற ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் யாருக்குமே கிடையாது உலகத்தில். How much problem I am undergoing, you know? அது வேற கதையா சொல்லி ஒரு ராமாயணம் பெரிய பாகவதமே ஸ்டோரி அண்ணா. சாஸ்திரா சேஸ் ப்ராப்ளம் யூ, சொல்யூஷன் இஸ் யூ அன்னாரு. பூஜ்ய சுவாமி சேஸ் வேர் இஸ் ப்ராப்ளம்? பிகாஸ் யூ ஹாவ் லாஸ்ட் சைட் ஆஃப் தட் பிரம்மன் which is appearing as Vishwam. See, Vishwam you convert into Brahman, Atma Swarupam, myself. Now rope, snake you have to convert into what? Rope. What you have to do for that? To convert the snake into rope, what you have to do? Meditation, bhajana, samadhi, put light. Show the torchlight, nothing doing other than that, only light is required. Similarly, to convert the Vishwam into Brahman nature, it is what you have to do, not meditation, not bhajana, not pilgrimage, not samadhi abhyasa, regular Vedanta class, nothing else. Jnanam is required. Therefore, pratyakshamapi, even though it is, as you are seeing the world, pratyaksham, very much tangible. வீட்டுக்கு போன உடனே மாமியார், மாமனார், டாட்டரின்லா, சன்னின்லா ஆர் நாத்தனார், ஓகே, இந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் இருக்க உடனே அஃப்கோர்ஸ் ஃபேமிலி மெம்பர்ஸ் ஆர் ஆல் ஃபைன் சுவாமினி, நெய்பர் தான் ப்ராப்ளம்னு. ரைட் சைடு நெய்பர் ஓகே, ஃப்ரண்ட் சைடு நெய்பர் ஓகே, லெஃப்ட் அண்ட் பேக் தான் ப்ராப்ளம். எல்லாமே ஓகே, மை பாடி ஓன்லி ப்ராப்ளமேட்டிக் அண்ணா. As long as you give reality to this Anatma Vishwam, as long as you see the snake upon the rope, you can never have peace. Snake you see, you are afraid of it. Similarly, Vishwam as Vishwam, it is problematic. Person can never be happy, ever insecure. So what you have to do? And the Vishwam pratyakshamapi, snake kuda pratyaksham da, and the rope snake pratyakshamapi, even though it is very very tangible, directly I am experiencing, can it be real? நான் கண்ணால் பார்க்குறேன் சுவாமினி, கண்ணால் டைரெக்டாக பார்க்குறேன். நீ கண்ணால் பார்த்தாலும் காதால் பார்த்தாலும் கூட அது பொய் தான். Therefore, even people say, Shastra says, even you say it is tangibly I am experiencing. உங்களுக்கு என்ன தெரியும்? எனக்கு தான் தெரியும். சுவாமியாருக்கு என்ன தெரியும்? சுவாமி அம்மாவுக்கு என்ன தெரியும்? ப்ராப்ளம் வீட்டுக்கு வந்து அவனுக்கு தான் தெரியும் அண்ணா. ஒரு வாட்டி வீட்டுக்கு வந்து பாருங்க. அதனால் they send separately to get counseling. நான் ஓகே சுவாமி, அவருக்கு தான் கொஞ்சம் கவுன்சிலிங் பண்ணுங்க. இப்படியெல்லாம் ஒருத்தருக்கு ஒருத்தர் கவுன்சிலிங் பண்ணுவான். எல்லாம் யாருக்கு கவுன்சிலிங் பண்ணுறது? So people have problems what na, because of ajnanam. Pratyakshamapi Vishwam avastutva, there is no substance or substantiality of its own. Just as snake doesn't have substantiality of its own other than rope, similarly Vishwam doesn't have substantiality of its own. Swatantra satta nasti, independent existence of the universe is not there. Then what? The word Vishwam is dependently existing upon the Atman, the Brahman. Who is that Brahman? I am. So, mayeva sakalam jatam, mai sarvam pratishthitam, mai sarvam layam yati, care of Kaivalyopanishad. Okay. Evameva layam vraja. What a sloka, $1 billion worth. Evameva, in this manner. Remember always rope snake, rope snake, rope snake. Vishwam you put in that rope snake place. Brahman in the rope place. Who is rope now? Brahman Atma. Who is that rope? I am. I am and சொல்லும்போது lower eye or higher eye? Higher eye. Lower eye is what? Na snake. அது ஸ்னேக் அண்ட் லேடர் கேம் ரொம்ப நன்னா இருக்கும், விளையாடுங்க. வைகுண்ட ஏகாதசினா பரமபத வாசல் டைம் தேல் பிளே. ஐ யூஸ் டு பிளே. அந்த பெரிய பாம்பு இருக்கும் இல்லை, ரஜோ குணா தமோ குணா ஆல் தீஸ் குணாஸ் எல்லாரும் ஒரு ஒரு ராட்சருங்க ஒரு ஒரு ஸ்னேக்கு, ஒரு ஒரு தெய்வீ சம்பத்திக்கு ஒரு ஒரு லேடர். வெரி இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங். இப்போ லைஃப் இட் செல்ஃப் இஸ் எ ஸ்னேக் அண்ட் லேடர் கேம் தான். Okay, next shloka. So third step is what? Adhyasa. This is superimposition only. You have to understand. This is superimposition. Just as I superimpose the snake upon the rope because of the semi-darkness, similarly because of Atma Ajnanam, I superimpose the Nama, Rupa, Prapancha, including my body, relations, everything upon me, the Brahman. This is adhyasa, superimposition. This superimposition you have to drop. Adhyasa you have to give up. How adhyasa will go on? By jnanam. By jnanam only adhyasa will go. So all ajnanis, their problems, what is the cause? Adhyasa. Adhyasa, superimposition is because of ajnanam. அஜ்ஞானம் இஸ் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் மூலா வித்யா. பிறக்கும் போது எப்படி வந்துட்டோம்னா துணியோட இல்லை, அஜ்ஞானத்தோடு பிறந்தோம். நன் ஆஃப் அஸ் பார்ன் வித் க்ளோத்ஸ், வித் ஃபுல் ஆஃப் அஜ்ஞானம் வி ஆர் பார்ன். தேக அபிமான அத்யர்த்தः. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகம். திஸ் இஸ் த தேர்ட் ஸ்டெப். Okay, drop this adhyasa, superimposition, which is because of ignorance. Therefore, ignorance to remove, what you have to get? Jnanam. Atma ajnanameva adhyasasya karanam. Therefore, atma jnanameva adhyasasya nivritti karanam bhavati. Adhyasa nivritti is possible only by atma jnanam. How to get atma jnanam? Study Shastra. Fourth shloka, fourth step. Samadukha sukha purnaha asha nairashyo samaha samajivita mrityu san एवमेव लयं व्रज. All pair of opposites, once the Vishwam is false, its problems caused by Vishwamlo, your body also included. Your body, our body is also included. Mind is included. Every anatma, blessed thing included in Vishwam. So the problems sukha, dukkha, janana, marana, janma, mrityu, asha, nirasha, all these pair of opposites are also happening in the anatma. They are all appearing. The palm வந்து green பச்சையா இருக்க, black snake or green snake. It has design, what tail, how much, how long it is. All these descriptions என்ன? All these descriptions of false snake are real or unreal. Once a snake is real, the description of the snake is also must be unreal. Once Vishwam is unreal, in this Vishwam body, mind, complex, ahankara, mamakara, relations are all are unreal. Sukha, dukkha, asha, nirasha, mrityu, maranam, janana, maranam, all these are sukha, dukkha, all are real or unreal? Unreally real. Okay, vyavaharically real, paramarthically unreal. Therefore what? When we put chappal, vyavaharika prapancha, sukha dukkha will be there. First of all, getting up itself is problem. Okay, so this janana marana, birth and death, and asha, desire and hope and despair, nirasha, all are bound to be there in anatma prapancha. As long as you see the snake, it appears as black, long, fat. As long as you see the world as world, asha, nirasha, bound to be there, janma, mrityu, bound to be there, and sukha, dukkha, bound to be there. Are they real or unreal? Ashtavakra says they appear, but they are not real. Evam eva layam vraja. அப்போ என்ன சுவாமினி எல்லாம் ப்ராப்ளம் சால்வ் ஆகிடும். ஒன்றும் சால்வ் ஆகாது. தே டிசால்வ். தெர் இஸ் நோ சால்விங் த ப்ராப்ளம். ஃபார் எ ஞானி ஆல் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் டிசால்வ். டிசால்வ் மீன்ஸ் வாட்? தே ஆர் மித்யா, அன்ரியல். அன்ரியல் ஃப்ரம் வாட் சத்தியம்? ஃப்ரம் பாரமார்த்திக சத்தியம். அப்சல்யூட்லி சென்ஸ் தே ஆர் அன்ரியல். பட் வியாவஹாரிக்கலி வியாபகாரிக்கலி ரியல். இப்போவே காலு ஒலிக்கிறது என்ன சுவாமினி, எல்லாம் ரியல் தான். வியாபகாரிக்கல் தட் பிலாங்ஸ் டு மித்யா பாடி. therefore bear it. முட்டி வலி, முதுகு வலி, பல்லு வலி, கண்ணு வலி will be there, but they are not me. So neighborization, neighborizing the anatma. This is what, hey Janaka, mithya falsification is the layam vraja nartham. Start falsification today onwards, now onwards. Okay, now with this fifth chapter is over. Purnamada purnamidam purnat purnamudachyate purnasya purnamadaya purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.